Have you ever opened YouTube for a quick 5 minutes and then suddenly realized you just wasted an entire evening? But the weird part is you didn't even enjoy most of the videos. If that's you, don't worry, because that was me too. A few months ago, I checked my YouTube watch history, and honestly, I felt physically sick. Video after video after video, clickbait thumbnails, random podcasts, motivation videos that didn't motivate me, educational videos I didn't remember. Hours, literally hours of my life, gone. And there's this quote I heard once: if you don't control your habits will control you. And that's exactly what was happening to me. Not because YouTube is bad, but because the way we use YouTube is terrible. So I decided something important. I'm not quitting YouTube. I'm quitting mindless YouTube. And the method I discovered is so stupidly effective, I'm shocked nobody talks about it. So here are the 3 steps that broke my addiction. Not by force, but by rewiring the way I think. Step 1, the realization that changes everything people say. YouTube is educational. But let's be honest, most of the videos you watch don't change anything. You watch them, you feel like you're learning, but 10 minutes later you won't remember a single thing. And then I realized the truth. YouTube recommendations aren't designed to help you. They're designed to keep you watching. The homepage is basically a slot machine. Every time you scroll, it's maybe this video will be fun. Maybe this one will be useful. Maybe this one will change my life. But most videos are just good enough to make you click, not good enough to improve your life. So I started doing this small experiment. Every time I saw a recommended video, I asked myself, will this video actually matter to me tomorrow? And 99% of the time, the answer was no. That one question alone reduced my screen time massively. Because once your brain realizes most videos are useless, the addiction loses its power. Step 2, fix the platform, not your brain. This step is the cheat code. Trying to fight YouTube with willpower is like trying to diet with a cake on your lap. You will lose. So instead, I changed YouTube itself. On computer, use Untrap extension. It lets you remove shorts, remove suggestions, remove the homepage, disable infinite scrolling, remove autoplay, make videos, black and white, hide comments, hide titles and views. It turns YouTube from a dopamine trap into a simple video tool. No more falling into rabbit holes. On phone, use Screen Zen. Every time you open YouTube, it forces a 5 to 10 second pause. That delay makes your brain think, do I actually want to open this? And the best part? You can block shorts separately. It catches you every time you try to doom scroll, like a personal bodyguard stopping you from embarrassing yourself. This step alone makes YouTube 70% less addictive. Step 3, replace the habit or you will relapse. This is the part most people skip. When you cut down YouTube, you suddenly get a lot of free time. And if you don't fill it with something, your brain will drag you back into old habits. So here's what I started doing. Reading 5 pages, doing 10 push-ups, tidying my desk, learning a new skill, writing ideas, recording my own videos. Tiny activities, but they create momentum. And trust me, nothing beats the feeling of replacing consumption with creation. Suddenly, you're not wasting time watching people live their lives. You're building your own. Step 4, rebuild your dopamine system, 90-second version. Here's the part nobody talks about, but it's the real reason YouTube feels impossible to quit. You're not addicted to YouTube. You're addicted to dopamine. Every video, every thumbnail, every new recommendation gives your brain a tiny dopamine hit. Not enough to make you happy, but just enough to keep you watching one more video. That's why even after blocking the homepage or deleting shorts, you still feel the urge to open the app. Your brain has gotten used to constant stimulation. So to break the addiction for good, you have to reset your dopamine system. And it's actually simple. First, add one low dopamine activity every day. Just one. Read a few pages, take a short walk, clean your desk, journal, or practice a small skill. These don't give instant reward, but they teach your brain to enjoy calm focus again. Second, stop dopamine stacking. No more eating while watching YouTube or watching in bed or switching videos nonstop. Do one thing at a time. It lowers your brain's need for constant stimulation. Third, let yourself be bored for a moment. Don't immediately grab your phone when you feel silence. Your best ideas come in boredom. Finally, set just one simple rule, like no YouTube in bed or no YouTube after 11 p.m. One boundary is enough to reset your brain. This step removes the root of the addiction, so you finally stay in control. Final message: strong, inspiring, perfect ending. You don't need to delete YouTube. You don't need to quit it completely. You just need to stop letting the algorithm babysit your free time. Control YouTube. Don't let YouTube control you. And hey, if this video gave you even 1% of value, I accept donations in the form of subscribes to fund my next masterpiece.